we are your hosts for today.
And that movement na sinabi po ni King kanina is none other than World Vision's #GirlsCan campaign. Ayan, palakpakan po natin ulit ang Girls Can campaign.
You know, actually, what I love about this campaign is its heart. It's about giving girls the chance to say, I can lead, I can achieve it, and I can create change.
Yes, and for 7 years now, World Vision in the Philippines has been championing the cause of empowering girls, making sure they get the education, opportunities, and support that they need to thrive. And exactly yung sinabi mo, King, na I can lead, I can achieve it, and I can create change. So that's what our little girls are capable of. And malaki at maraming bagay pa silang kayang gawin. Ngayon na they are still young, they're exploring life, and more. And behind this movement, of course, are amazing partners who make it possible. One of them is Page One Group, through its CSR arm, Page One Heartbeat, which champions initiatives that transform lives and uplift communities.
And we're also joined by an equally passionate partner, the Binibining Pilipinas organization. The Queens are here with us today, Julie.
Yes, Queens.
Standing as a role model of confidence, strength, and purpose. Later on, we'll hear their inspiring thoughts on why they support #GirlCan campaign.
Yes, that's right. And together with World Vision, Page One, and Binibining Pilipinas, we unite for one powerful message. When we invest in girls, we invest in a brighter world. Do you agree? Yes. Okay. And along the way, you'll also hear more inspired talks from people who use their influence to advocate, to inspire, and to spark real change.
And because this is not just an event, but a celebration, we'd like everyone to join us in spreading the message, take photos, share your thoughts, and post them online using our official hashtag, #GirlsCan, #Page1X World Vision PH, #WorldVisionPH, #Page1X GirlsCan.
#Hope, Joy, Justice, #Binibining Pilipinas, #Page One Group, and #Page One Heartbeat. So makikita rin po ninyo ang mga hashtags sa ating TV screen. And don't forget to tag World Vision Philippines, Page One Group, and of course, Binibining Pilipinas. So let's make sure that the world knows that together we believe in girls, we invest in girls, and we stand with little girls.
And with that, we're not only changing one life, we're shaping the entire communities and the future of our nation.
Okay, so are you guys ready?
Yes!
So settle in, open your hearts, and get ready to be inspired because today we celebrate the power of girls.
Let's start and let's learn more about World Vision and how the #GirlsCan campaign continues to make an impact in the lives of young girls across the country.
Yeah, so please welcome Ms. Sharon D. Macias, Public Affairs and Brand Engagement Manager of World Vision Philippines.
So, magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Ang taas ng energy ng mga host ko natin. At yung topic ko pa ay medyo seryoso naman. Kasi we're talking about our advocacy po talaga. So, we have a short presentation. I just would like to introduce with you about World Vision and what is GirlsCan. So, World Vision is a global humanitarian organization devoted to improving the lives of the children, including their families and their communities, to overcome poverty. World Vision is a thread that brings people together, enabling Filipinos to build a better world for children. Alam ko, medyo mabigat yung description, pero we embody that, we embrace that goal po talaga. And we are, as the largest non-profit organization, we help over and more than 1.5 million children every year. So, ganun po kalaki yung talagang sinasakop ni World Vision. Pero hindi po namin ito magagawa kung wala po yung mga sponsors at donors na tumutulong po sa amin. Sila po talaga yung kumbaga core na katuwang po namin sa mga advocacies at mga campaigns na ginagawa po namin sa World Vision. Our core values, we are Christian. So, sa bawat makakausap niyo po sa World Vision, ito po talaga, kumbaga, yung pinapakita po namin. And we value that and we share that, the Word of God to every people that we communicate. Ganun din po sa mga individuals, pamilya man yan, our ambassadors, our brand partners. We are committed to the poor kasi nga po, as yung mga values din po natin, it's important na nandun din tayo kung saan yung mga nangangailangan. We value people, we are steward, we are partners, and we are responsive. Kaya po isa sa Girls Get Campaign sa pagiging responsive po namin sa kakulangan at sa need po talaga ng ating community. We want children to enjoy good health, be educated for life, be cared for, protected, and participating, and experience the love of God and neighbor. So magkaduktong po talaga palagi yan, our core values and our goal for the children. So ito po ay mapa lang ng ating mundo kung saan present po si World Vision as an international NGO. So madami pong countries, iba-iba man yan, sa Western man yan, or sa mga Asian countries, ay meron po si World Vision. And isa lang din po yung mensahe po namin, we prioritize the children. Dito naman po sa Pilipinas, we have an operational presence in 29 area programs with more than 56 registered children. Ganun kadami po, 56,000 registered children yung sinusuportahan po ni World Vision. So what is the program of World Vision po talaga? So I would like to share with you yung isa din po sa aming kumbaga flagship, which is child sponsorship. So kung magtataka kayo, ano po ba ang child sponsorship? So may mga teammates po ako dyan na nasa likod na naka-orange or may World Vision name po na pwede nyo i-approach. At sila po ang magbibigay pa sa inyo ng mga informations about child sponsorship. Pero I would like to share with you a short introductions lang po about child sponsorship. It pairs one child to one sponsor. So when you sponsor a child po, nakakatulong po kayo dun sa bata. Meron po talagang, kumbaga, connection na binubuo, yung nag-exchange po ng letters, nagbibigyan niyo po sila ng mga opportunities na madalas ay hindi po kayang ibigay ng mga communities na kung nasaan sila dahil din sa kakulangan, sa poverty. Ayun po. So that is child sponsorship. Siguro, i-share ko lang din sa inyo na madalas, ito din kasi yung common na mga tanong sa amin. Ano nga ba yung child sponsorship? Ano ba yung kaibahan niya sa scholarship, sa adopting? So, ang child sponsorship po ni World Vision is not a scholarship. So, hindi po siya parang nagpapaaral po kami ng bata. Ito po talaga ay more of, we approach the area program, we work with the government, we work with different sectors, maging churches man yan, or the media, or the ambassadors po namin, at iba-iba pang mga corporate partners din. And we identify kung ano po yung kakulangan doon talaga sa community. So it is not just a scholarship. And then child sponsorship is not adopting a child. Madalas kasi ganun yung connotation, no? Iniisip natin na ang sponsorship, mag-a-adopt ba ako ng bata? Kailangan ko ba siyang i-support ng ititira ko po ba sa bahay? Yun po yung kaibahan ng child sponsorship. We support them, we have that special connection, pero hindi po natin kailangan alisin yung bata dun sa community niya kasi yun po talaga yung immediate na kalakihan niya, and mas maganda na empower natin yung mga magulang at yung mga members ng community nila. And then child sponsorship is not giving money directly to the child's family. Through World Vision interventions po, we do different programs. Kung ano po yung need talaga dun sa community. And hindi po din namin ini-encourage na ibigay din directly dun sa bata. Kasi mas nakikita po natin or mas na-extend natin yung opportunities kapag inilaalat po natin ito sa mga programa na mas appropriate din po sa kanila at yung nakikita natin na kakulangan. So we complement the projects of the government, but we don't duplicate. So kung kunwari sa isang area, ang kulang sa kanila ay wash facilities, we ask the community, we ask the LGUs, or kaya naman yung ating mga officials, government officials, may budget po ba kayo dyan? Ano po ba yung mga kulang pa na pwede namin i-complement or itulong pa po sa World Vision? So lastly, child sponsorship is not a one-time donation. Hindi po siya kapag nagbigay po tayo ng isang donation, ibibigay sa pamilya, and then that's it. Kami po we're going for a long-term approach and a holistic approach. Paano ba natin siya magagawa? Kung itutukan po talaga yung pangangailangan at iba't ibang mga programs po para sa mga bata na makakatulong din sa kanilang family at sa community. So, child sponsorship with World Vision Philippines only costs 900 per month. So, ito po yun. To maximize your monthly gifts, we combine them with other donations to fund programs. Yun nga po yung i-reiterate ko kanina pa. And then that create long-term access to essential resources for your sponsored child, to their community, and other vulnerable kids. So for every one child na na-sponsoran po natin, 4 more children are benefiting. And everywhere we work, our aim is to strengthen and empower the entire community so all children have the chance to experience the fullness of life. So our work focuses on 2 technical programs. Ito pa ang priority ng World Vision right now. So we have education and health and nutrition. We provide school kits po every pasukan, may mga brigada participate din po kami sa brigada, eskwela, at may mga brigada pagbasa din po kami. Isa po si World Vision sa part ng network na yun na nag-i-encourage sa mga bata na magbasa pa. Dahil nakita niyo naman sa balita, di ba, malaki ang literacy gap dito sa ating country. That's why it's a need. And then health and nutrition, syempre may mga campaigns po si World Vision na talagang kumbaga tinuturuan natin yung mga pamilya, yung mga magulang lalo na, to prepare nutritious food. Kasi kung papakainin lang natin yung mga kids, sa pag-uwi nila sa bahay, gutom na uwi sila. Or kaya nung pag-uwi nila sa bahay, tapos na, hindi din natutuloy-tuloy yung nutrition nila. And it's important na we continue it because nakakatulong din yun sa pag-aaral nila dahil mas na-empower or mas na-encourage din sila na mag-speak up, maging confident kasi nutrition also affects that kind of aspect din sa ating sa health and nutrition. So what else is World Vision doing? We have child protection, we have livelihood, emergency response. Isa din po kami sa una talagang na nagre-response kapag may emergency. Kahit hindi po minsan hindi namin area program, we also work with the government and check po talaga kung ano po yung pwedeng maitulong ng World Vision. And faith and development. Again, babalik po ako sa core namin, we are Christian. So it's important for us na naitutulong po natin ito sa bawat bata. So gusto ko lang i-share din sa inyo itong verse na ito. You can read it and absorb it kung ano po talaga yung mensahe ng World Vision at ano po yung ginagawa din po natin ngayon na nandito tayo. So from that verse, bilis yung slide. Ayan. So, gusto ko lang itong i-share sa inyo. I-reiterate din natin ito later. So when a young girl's dignity, innocence, and hope are taken from her, and all she has left is her story, it's our job to tell our story, their story. It's our job. As media partners po namin, our media partners na iba't ibang mga organization, it's our job to share their stories kasi sino pa po ba ang tutulong sa kanila? As part of our community, it's important na we empower them. It's important na nako-communicate natin itong mga mensahe na ito. Alam po natin na mabigat talaga yung problema ng mundo. Alam po natin na parang minsan yung isip natin, solvable ba talaga yan? Pero in one post, in one like, in one share about something message or an encouraging message, or just sharing the story of a child or someone in need, it's making an impact. Yun naman po yung gusto natin, kumbaga role natin, di ba, sa media industry. So now, I'm going to share with you yung reality na meron sa Philippines. Ano ba talaga yung nangyayari sa kalagayan ng mga kabatang babae? At bakit binibigyan namin ito ng focus? So So why this matters? The reality girls faced. Too many girls are still being held back by poverty, violence, and harmful cultural norms. Do you agree? Is it still prevalent?
Yes.
Yes. Sadly, that's the reality. In relation to that, every 4 minutes, a child is killed by violence. Imagine every 4 minutes na nag-spend tayo dito, there's a child killed by violence. In one in 3 women and girls globally have experienced physical and sexual violence. Alam po natin na tumaas yung rate nito ng pandemic, pero still now, ganun pa din. 119 million girls are out of school worldwide. Why? It's related to the violence, experience abuse and trauma. They can't go to school, they can't experience fullness of life. And nearly 1 in 3 girls aged 15 to 19 are out of school compared to 1 in 6 boys. Bakit? Babalik po tayo dun sa unang nabanggit, cultural norms. Some of the communities din po kasi ay nandun pa sa paniniwala na mas better mag-invest sa mga kalalakihan. Ang mensahe po ng World Vision, hindi naman natin kailangan mamili. Ang mensahe po ng World Vision is hanap at kay Mantay. And why we emphasize this? Because in low-income countries, only 38% of girls finish high school. So that includes also the Philippines. Why? Because yun nga, pag sinabi kasing nabuntis na yung bata, wala na siyang future. So it ends there. Ganun po ba dapat yung thinking? So I hope na it's something na we really need to talk about and to amplify yung message na need to empower these children. Next. So here's the message of World Vision. When we empower girls, we don't just change their lives. We change the world around them. At World Vision, we believe that when girls rise, families, communities, and nations thrives. Ang isang example po nito sa ibang country din ay bakit sinasabi natin nations? Kasi kapag sinuporta natin yung isang batang babae, kapag later on, mas okay yung income niya, mas educated siya, mas okay yung income, then mas madami opportunity siya na build. So this is our commitment to empower girls. Through child sponsorship and our integrated programming, our commitment is to educate, to protect, to support their livelihood or economic empowerment, and faith and development. We help ensure that Filipino girls not only survive, but thrive. It's important na we highlight na hindi lang sila nakaka-survive, hindi lang sila nakakapag-voice out, kundi they thrive. They know what to do in the next thing. They know what their rights are. So it's important na ganun po natin i-empower yung mga bata. With your support, girls can raise their voice. With your support, girls can say no. And with your support, girls can be strong and fearless. So, gusto ko lang pong i-share din yung impact na ginagawa natin sa Girls Can campaign. Yung tulong po ng Page 1 at ganoon din po yung PPCI. At ganoon din po yung mga ambassadors natin, mga advocates natin na nandito. Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo na ito po yung ginagawa natin. Thanks to our sponsors and partners, the numbers speaks for themselves. So imagine, from the numbers that I mentioned earlier, it's important na 4.6 million children are supported through education programs in 66 countries. Every hour, 10 parents learn positive parenting to help end violence. And nearly 1 million girls and boys take action each year to end violence. Why boys and girls? It's important po na tayong mga kasama natin dito, mga kalalakihan, ay aware at alam na pwede sila maging ally, na pwede silang tumulong in their own way, in their own using their own platforms. 250,000 plus children annually join groups to learn about their rights and protection. And every 5 minutes, a child completes our training on child protection and safety. Yun naman po yung gusto i-highlight din yung World Vision, na we're supporting children, we give them the trainings para din pwede silang maging child leader din sa kanilang mga community. And maraming salamat po, lalo na sa Faith Fund kasi yung ginagawa po natin ngayon ay isang malaking bagay na hindi lang po hindi lang po kami nag-benefit, kundi maraming bata out na sinusuportahan ni World Vision na nag-benefit. So, educating a girl creates a ripple effect, one that uplifts generations. So, as mentioned din ng host din natin, no, Girls Can is more than just a campaign. It's a movement for dignity, equality, and a brighter future for all. So, babalik po ako dun sa quote na pinakita ko po sa inyo. It's our job to tell their story. And we're happy and we're grateful na nandito po kayo ngayon listening to me, even if I repeat myself every time. But we're grateful po na pinakikinggan niyo po at sinusuportahan yung advocacy ng World Vision. So here are some of our proud ambassadors. And we're grateful and honored na sumusuporta po sila sa atin. Maging boys man yan or girls, we're so happy na they are very supportive to us. And madami pa po sila, hindi lang po yung nandyan. Hindi na po kasha, pero sana dagdagan pa natin. Okay po ba yun? So, yun lamang po. Sana po ay, kung gusto nyo pa pong matutunan or malaman pa yung more information about World Vision, you can reach out to us through social media or kahit man po i-approach nyo po ngayon ng ating magaganda at mga gwapong World Vision representatives here. Yun lamang po. Salamat!
Thank you so much, Ms.